Welcome, learners. It is a biology class. My name's are Mansour RC. I would like to take you through a topic in Form 1, cell physiology. Learners, first you have to define or you have to know the meaning of cell physiology or the definition of cell physiology. We define cell physiology as the study of the functions of cells in living organisms. Again, these functions of the cells is controlled by movement of materials in and out of the cells. Movement of these materials is controlled by the cell membrane, also known as the plasmalemma or the plasma membrane. Now, we study the structure of the cell membrane, how the cell membrane is structured. Structurally, the cell membrane is made up of 3 layers, 2 protein layers, and 1 middle phospholipid layer. Again, we state some of the properties of the cell membrane. The first property of the cell membrane that it is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable meaning the cell membrane only allows some selected molecules to pass through it and prevents passage of some other molecules or some other substances. That's why now we call it it is semi-permeable. Property number 2, the cell membrane possesses an electric charge. It possesses electric charges. These electric charges, it enables the cells to detect changes in the environment. Property number 3, the cell membrane is sensitive to changes in pH and temperature. Now, we have some physiological processes in living organisms, some processes that controls passage or movement of materials in and out of the cell in living organisms. Physiological process number 1, we have osmosis. Number 2, we have diffusion. And lastly, we have active transport. Now we define osmosis. Osmosis, this is the movement of water molecules from high water concentrated region to low water concentrated region across a semi-permeable membrane. Diffusion, it is movement of molecules from highly concentrated region to a lowly concentrated region. And lastly, active transport is the movement of molecules from a region of low concentration to a region of high concentration by use of energy, and we know that's why we usually call it is against concentration gradient, that it is movement of molecules from low concentrated region to high concentrated region. Molecules will tend to move from where they are low and they move from where they are highly concentrated. That's why the active transport usually is defined as it is against concentration gradient. That marks the end of our lesson for today, and I ask you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you all.